Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Mensa Augustine. In this lesson, we're given that x squared plus y cubed minus xy equals 6. We have to find dy on dx. Thanks to Favor from Nigeria for sending me this question. Now, how do we do this in a very simple way? We have x squared plus y cubed minus xy equals 6. So this means that we're going to do implicit differentiation. We are going to differentiate this implicitly with respect to x. So if we differentiate x squared, we get 2x. If we differentiate y cubed with respect to x, we are going to get 3y squared. But since we are differentiating y with respect to x, we attach dy on dx. Wow. Now here, we have xy. Wow, the red marker is not helping me. Let me use the green one. I hope you are enjoying the lesson, right? Okay, keep on enjoying it. Let me see the red one. The green one. Yeah, this will help me. I need variation of colors. So I have xy here. So I'm going to use the product rule. So for the product rule, you cover this one and differentiate this. So if you differentiate x with respect to x, you get 1 times this y will give you y. Very simple. So this is what I mean. This is the same as writing negative y, then dx of dx, plus, but here is negative, right? So let's put negative here, and then put this in brackets, right? Plus x, dx of y equals dx of 6 in a very simple way. So here, I'm going to get 2x plus 3y squared dy on dx minus y. For if you differentiate x with respect to x, you get 1 times y is y. Then this minus will multiply the answer, you get this. Negative times positive will give us negative. If we differentiate y with respect to x, we are going to get 1. Then we attach dy dx. So we are going to get 1 times dy on dx. Then we have another x there. So x times 1 will give us x dy on dx. It's equal to, if we differentiate the constant, is 0. This is what I said. We are doing dx of y. So if we differentiate y implicitly with respect to x, we are going to get 1 times dy on dx. The dy on dx here is showing that we have differentiated this y implicitly with respect to x in a very simple way. 1 times dy on dx will give us dy on dx. Then we multiply it by x to get this. Wow. So we are good to go. We have our dy dx. So let us factorize dy dx out and group the other terms. So here we can write 3y squared minus x and bring our dy on dx outside. Dy dx. So I factorize dy dx out. Now I have 2x minus y. So I can write here positive y minus 2x in a very simple way. Note that you could have also grouping this one out here. I'll do that. So here, dy on dx will be y minus 2x divided by 3y squared minus x. Now, the other alternative is to send the dy dx to this side. So that will give us 2x minus y equals x dy on dx minus 3y squared dy on dx. This gives 2x minus y equals x minus 3y squared dy on dx. And this will give me 2x minus y divided by x minus 3y squared equals dy on dx. The answers are the same. Wow. So you see that here, y is positive, here y is negative. Here x 2x is negative, here 2x is positive. Then this one too, x is positive, x is negative. 3y squared is negative, 3y squared is positive. So if you do this, you are right. If you do this, you are right. Let's see why. Let's say that x is equal to 1 and then y equal to 1 and verify our solution. If x is equal to 1, we will have 2 minus 1, because 2 times 1 is 2 and 1 is 1, divided by 1 minus 1 squared is 1 times 3 will give us 3. So this will give us 1 out of negative 2 in a very simple way. Now let's see this one too. We have 1 minus 2 divided by y squared. So 1 squared is 1. So we have 3 minus 1. And this will give us negative 1 out of 2 in a very simple way. So let me give you some trick. In case this is in session A and you did this and you are having this, but this is not in the solution, then what do? Just look at this. If you want to do the other alternative, don't worry yourself going through this. Just interchange the sign. So assuming we get this answer, let's say we have this answer, y plus 2 divided by x minus 3. Then how do we interchange this to get the same answer here? It means that everything here will be negative. So negative y, negative 2 divided by negative x, positive 3. Are you okay? Let me do another one just to improve your understanding. We put in values to clarify our answer. Let's say I have y minus 3 divided by x minus 4. Here I have minus y, positive 3, minus x, positive 4, the same. The reason is that here, if you factorize this negative out, it will be y plus 2 divided by negative into minus x plus 3. You see that negative times negative, positive, negative times positive, negative. So this negative will come here to become negative into y plus 2 divided by minus x plus 3. And if you multiply 2 by the negative, you have minus y minus 2 divided by minus x plus 3. Wow. So don't worry yourself doing other alternatives. You can just factorize a negative sign out and send it up or down in a very simple way. Keep on trying this to improve your understanding. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave your comments.